very happy Diwali and happy Children's Day. Enjoy both the days. This Diwali bring you lots of happiness, joy, good health and success. Children, let us celebrate this Diwali with gratitude of joy. Gratitude is not just what you have is to give to others. It is helping others who are less fortunate to have it. It is a beautiful practice of acknowledging what we have and what we give to others. So we all will give whatever good values we have to others. So children, enjoy your Diwali with gratitude of giving. See you all very soon and enjoy your holidays. Thank you.
Hello children, let's rejoice on this blessed occasion and spread sparkle of peace and goodwill. Have a happy Diwali to all. There is one more special day today. Yes, that is my favorite, Children's Day. This day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of rights, care and education of few children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru. He advocated for children to have fulfilled education. Chacha Nehru considered you children as real strength of our nation and the foundation of society. My dear children, you are the future of tomorrow, so make your life better, successful through your hard work and determination, as you are the one who is going to bring change to the nation and make it a better place to live. Happy Children's Day.
नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, दिवाळी म्हणजे धनाची पूजा, यशाचा प्रकाश, कीर्तीचे अभंग स्नान, संबंधाचा फराळ, समृद्धीचा पाडवा, प्रेमाची भाऊबीज अशा या दीपावलीच्या आपणा सर्वांस सोनेरी तेजोमय शुभेच्छा. त्याचबरोबर 14 नोव्हेंबर हा दिवस आपण सर्व बालदिन म्हणून साजरा करतो. लहानपणी सगळेच विचारायचे तुला काय व्हायचंय, पण उत्तर कधी सापडलेच नाही. पण आज जर कोणी विचारले ना, तर उत्तर एकच असेल, मला पुन्हा लहान व्हायचंय. अशा या बालपणाच्या बालदिनाच्या आपणा सर्वांना हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Hello dear students, Diwali is a festival of lights. May this Diwali bring all the happiness to all of you and to your family. This Diwali brings everyone just healthy and prosperous year ahead. Happy Children's Day to everyone. Enjoy your Diwali vacations. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello students, happy Diwali. May this festival of light bring a lot of happiness in your life. May your life flood with happiness. Keep yourself deserted from the sorrows. May your knowledge increase like the depth of the sea, and you always remain at the peak of success. Happy Diwali and a happy Children's Day.
रोशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियां
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले.
Good day, students. Happy Diwali and happy Children's Day to all of you. Today, on this occasion of Children's Day, we, the primary teachers of Advocate Babasaheb Bhonde High School, is presenting before you a short skit. The name of the skit is Pinocchio and the Magic Mirror. Pinocchio is a naughty boy who's always lying, and whenever he is lying, God has punished him that his nose will grow longer. So, students, to know more about Pinocchio, let's begin the skit. Hey you, peekaboo. Hey you, peekaboo. This looks better on me. Mirror, mirror in the wall, who is handsome after all? You? I'm tired of your grumpy face. Just throw me out so that I can see some shiny and bright faces. You are jealous of me. I am the most handsome of all. Ooh. Oh, not again. Hello, Pino. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. What about you? I'm also fine. What's going on? I'm totally bored. It's same here, yeah. Let's plan and meet. Yeah, sure. But you know, my mother will not allow me. I cannot tell lies also. You know my problem, right? Dude, don't worry. We will plan it out. I'll talk to the auntie. Okay, let's meet them. Okay, bye.
What happened that boy? Let me check his notebooks. English, maths, EVS, yes, I know that boy never completed his homework and all that. And that teacher is calling me again and again. Oh no! Pinocchio, come here fast! Where is you? Come here fast!
Coming, Mama.
Come here fast!
Yes, Mama.
Check here, dear. Why not you complete this? Who will complete it?
I'll complete it, Mama.
That's good. You have to complete it. Understood? I want everything perfect. You know that? Good.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Everything set? Yes, of course.
Hello, Auntie. Good afternoon. I don't understood, children. Why you all are coming? Why you not? You understood now? You know now?
Yes.
There is social distancing and all that. You must be careful.
Yes, I am taking care.
Good. That's good. Your parents give you permission to come out?
Yes, Auntie.
You take the permission now?
Yes, Auntie.
That's very good. Okay? But I don't understood. Why you all are coming? What is the reason?
Auntie, we have some group assignment. So we need Pino's help. So we came here.
Yeah, that's good. But let me find. Why you always need Pino's help?
Auntie, we all know that Pino is very creative. So we need his help.
Yeah.
So please allow us
Pino
to
is
take
very
him.
creative. Creativity.
Yes. Yes.
Let me find. Okay, let me. Pinocchio, come here fast.
Yes, Mama.
Come here. Your friends asking me about some activity. don't tell lies. In your life, see, God will punish you like this. So, always speak truth. Never tell lies to your parents and to your teachers.